ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।
Our business relationship, our trade relationship is going to depend upon how quickly we connect with each other physically. The Trans-Afghan Railway is the most important project for Uzbekistan and Pakistan. The President is very keen. We in Pakistan are extremely keen that there is peace in Afghanistan. And we are all hoping for a political settlement taking place in Afghanistan so that our connectivity through Afghanistan for both the countries would be mutually beneficial for all of us. For the business community, it will raise the standard of living of both the countries.